Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to record fresh investment in QuickBook Online. Means if we invest in our company, how to record this investment in QuickBook Online. Go to the new tab and select bank deposit voucher. Bank deposit voucher is now open. If we deposit in HBL Bank, select HBL Bank and in date option select 1st January 2021. Next option is received from. Means if your supplier or customer invest your company, then we select this option, otherwise skip this option. Next option is account. Select equity account. In description box type fresh investment. In payment method there are two options, cash and check. Account box type 1 lakh and then click on Save and Close button. This recording will be saved over in QuickBook Online. Now check this entry. Go to the Accounting tab and select Chart of Account. And in search box type HBL. Click on Account History. This entry is shown in our deposit column with date 1st January 2021. I hope you understand how to record fresh investment in QuickBook Online. We are also providing virtual bookkeeping service in very nominal prices. For bookkeeping services, go to our video description. Okay guys, have a nice day.